Welcome to Danfoss. We have been serving the needs of the heating industry for over 8 decades and are the market leader in heating control technology. We constantly push our boundaries to enable the world of tomorrow to do more with less. We are committed to continuously improve and protect human well-being at our plant. And so, we request you to follow our safety protocols in order to have a safe visit. When you visit our plant, kindly park your vehicles in the designated parking area only. At the main gate, approach the security personnel and mention the purpose of your visit. You will also need to show proper identity proof as requested. The security will then call your host to verify the visit. Upon confirmation, you will be issued a visitor gate pass and a safety passport. Please ensure that you carry them with you throughout your visit. You need to deposit any flammable materials like matchbox, cigarette and others at the security gate before entering the premises. In case you need to carry any chemicals inside the facility, you must take prior site approval from the EHS manager by presenting the material safety data sheet. Once all the checks are done, the security will guide you to the reception area, where your host will come to receive you. You must always stay with your host during the entire visit. Mandatory personal protective equipments, like safety shoes, safety helmet, goggles, and others are necessary while visiting the shop floor, warehouse, and lab. As you carry out your work inside the plant, always remember these important rules. Photography is strictly prohibited inside the plant. Eatables are only allowed in the designated areas. Do not go near or touch any moving or hot components. Do not go in any restricted areas without permission. Only walk on the designated walkways. Always be aware of motorized equipment like forklifts and material handling equipment. Do not walk under any suspended loads. Be extremely careful in the proximity of chemicals and waste. Remember, you are under CCTV surveillance at all times. Violation of any of our safety protocols may result in immediate termination of your visit. If you encounter any potential hazards, near misses, or an emergency on the site, please report it to your host. We are fully equipped to deal with all kinds of emergency situations. For any first aid requirement to be administered, there is a well-equipped occupational health center at the facility. In case of any emergency or a fire situation, you will hear the emergency siren. Do not panic. Safely stop the activity you are engaged in and follow the emergency escape routes to leave the building and reach the assembly point. During the entire process, follow the instructions communicated over the public address system. Cooperate with the security and stay at the assembly point until further instruction is provided. Once the emergency situation is averted, your host will guide you back to work. After your work is completed, make sure you get the visitor gate pass signed by your host. Before leaving the plant, return the gate pass, safety passport, and any other issued documents to the security gate. We thank you for following our safety protocols and assisting us to keep the plant safe.